Uptown Swing.
Level, Charleston, 1, Peter, Maddie. Dance. You go like this. We did kickaways. Bop, 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 bop. You got double kick, and we did it a whole bunch. The thing to practice is just these double kicks. I'm going left, she's going right. We go double kick, step, double kick. You can think 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, or kick and kick, step, step. Get a lot of practice with that. And if you're getting that and you want some bonus, do a little turning with your body while you do those. So double kick, pick a direction and just turn a little bit. Get used to that because you're not turning your kicks so much as turning your body. Then we talked about how to get into this and out of it. It cuts a basic in half. So on count number 5 of the basic, you get into it and you get out of it. Here's our little sequence. We had a basic 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, in 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, we're out. 6, 7. That's it.